Hey, hello everyone. We have today this package that has arrived from HHN. The box is very light. What's inside the box is LED writing board. To be honestly, they picked the colors. Look like it's made by GE. LCD writing, eye protecting, lock, battery life 2 years, environment, and the color gray. So we might have to get inside in order to see full spectrum of the device options to list, but let's see, open it. This thing is very inexpensive. It's a nice toy. I like the design. It is oh, let's see what do we got. Jeez, we gotta turn this thing on. My goodness. There you go. Oh wow. So it's basically this come off, doesn't work. So you turn nothing on and you delete it, and so gone immediately. That's very nice toy. If you can make it better, go ahead, buy it and make it. Jeez. This is nice to work with. For your kids, I think it's amazing. I love it. Jeez. Nobody win. This is nice equipment. Better than a laptop. And I think that's under 20 bucks. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. This really helped me.